After 70, these 10 foods protect your brain and memory better than any pill or supplement picture. You are sitting with your grandchildren. One of them asks you to tell that funny story from when you were young. You start speaking. Suddenly, the name of the place escapes you. The details become fuzzy. You smile and change the subject, but deep inside, a small fear grows. Later, you look for your keys. You find them in an odd spot again. Conversations with friends feel slower. You lose the thread. You tell the same story twice without noticing. Driving to places you know well starts to feel a little uncertain. These moments pile up quietly. They make you question yourself. Will I still be able to live alone? Will I need someone to check on me every day? These thoughts are heavy. They are real for so many people after 70. You are not the only one facing this. As we get older, the brain changes in natural ways. It becomes a little smaller over time. A gentle amount of inflammation builds up. It is like rust appearing slowly on an old tool. Everyday life creates oxidative stress. That stress harms brain cells bit by bit. Blood flow to the brain can become less efficient. All of this makes memory softer. Names do not come as quickly. Dates and directions slip away more easily. Doctors call this age-related cognitive decline. Sometimes it leads to mild impairment. In more serious cases, it can point toward dementia. The biggest worry is not just forgetting small things. The biggest worry is losing freedom, losing the ability to care for your home, losing confidence behind the wheel, losing the joy of remembering faces and stories clearly. You have earned a sharp mind. You deserve to keep enjoying family moments. You deserve to handle daily life with ease. You may have tried supplements already. Perhaps you took ginkgo biloba hoping it would improve circulation in the brain, or fish oil capsules for those omega fats, or special vitamins marketed for memory and focus. The advertisements show happy older people solving puzzles with perfect smiles. Those products promise fast help. But many large studies tell a different story. For most people over 70, these supplements give only small or inconsistent benefits. They do not provide the full range of nutrients the brain really needs. They often come with hype but lack lasting proof compared to whole foods. Real food works differently. Real food brings together vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protective compounds. Those elements fight inflammation naturally. They shield cells from harm. They improve blood flow. They support repair processes deep inside. The exciting part is this. Strong science shows a clear path. The Mind diet combines the best parts of Mediterranean and Dash eating styles. It focuses on foods that are kind to the brain. People who follow it closely cut their risk of Alzheimer's by up to 53%. Even moderate followers see about 35% lower risk. The diet also slows cognitive decline noticeably. In one major study, researchers tracked more than 900 older adults for several years. Those with the highest scores on the Mind diet had much lower rates of Alzheimer's. Another study found that strong adherence made the brain function as if it were 7.5 years younger. These are not empty claims. These are results from long-term research on real people. Today, I want to share the top 10 foods from this approach. These 10 protect your brain and memory after 70 better than any pill or supplement. We will count down from number 10 to number 1. Each food comes with clear explanations, real-life stories, and practical tips you can use right away. The number 1 food is special. It supports your brain during sleep. It helps with repair and recharge through the night via the connection between your gut and your brain. Before we begin, pause for a second. How old are you right now? What is your biggest worry about memory these days? Write it in the comments below. Sharing helps everyone feel less alone. I will read every comment I can and reply when possible. Now let us start. You are doing something kind for your future self. Number 10 is a simple everyday item that offers powerful protection. Number 10 is olive oil. This golden liquid is more than a cooking ingredient. After 70, olive oil becomes a true ally for your brain. Extra virgin olive oil contains healthy monounsaturated fats. It is packed with polyphenols, which are strong antioxidants. Here's how it helps in plain words. Those polyphenols reduce inflammation in the brain. They protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. They improve blood flow, so oxygen and nutrients reach brain areas more easily. They also help maintain the blood-brain barrier. That barrier acts like a gatekeeper. It keeps harmful substances out while allowing helpful ones in. Research backs this up clearly. In one long study, researchers followed over 92,000 adults for 28 years. People who used more than half a tablespoon of olive oil each day had 28% lower risk of dying from dementia-related causes. This benefit appeared even when other diet factors varied. Other work connected olive oil use in the mind, diet to healthier brain structure, and reduced dementia odds. Let me tell you about Maria. She is 74 and lives in California. A few years ago, Maria started forgetting appointments. She repeated herself during phone calls with friends. She worried she might lose her independence soon. Then she made a small change. She began using extra virgin olive oil every day. She drizzled it over roasted vegetables. She used it in place of butter on bread. She made simple dressings for salads. After several months, she felt a difference. Names came back faster. She followed conversations without effort. Today at 77, Maria still drives herself to the market. She tends her small garden. She hosts family dinners and laughs without worry. One simple swap brought back peace of mind. Here is how to use it well. Choose extra virgin olive oil. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons each day. Drizzle it on salads and cooked vegetables. Use it as a finishing touch after cooking to preserve the nutrients. Look for a dark bottle and a fresh grassy smell to ensure quality. Avoid these common mistakes. Do not choose refined or light olive oil. Those versions lose most antioxidants. Avoid heating it to very high temperatures like deep frying. That breaks down the good compounds. Keep portions reasonable so calories stay balanced. The best time to include it is during meals. That way your body absorbs the benefits steadily throughout the day. Olive oil creates a strong base of protection. But what if everyday grains could supply steady fuel to your brain without sudden ups and downs? Stay with me. Number 9 is coming up. Number 9 is whole grains. Oats, brown rice, and quinoa are great examples. These are not plain side dishes. After 70 whole grains, give your brain reliable energy. Your brain depends on glucose for fuel. Whole grains release glucose slowly and evenly. That prevents the foggy feeling from blood sugar crashes. Beyond energy, whole grains bring fiber for healthy gut bacteria. They provide B vitamins that support nerve signals. They contain antioxidants that fight cell damage. Studies on the MIND diet show clear results. People eating 3 or more servings of whole grains daily experience slower cognitive decline over time. High scorers on the diet had brain performance similar to people 7.5 years younger. Now meet George. He is 76 and lives in Texas. A couple of years back, George felt mentally cloudy by late morning. He would lose his train of thought mid-sentence. It frustrated him. He decided to change breakfast. He started eating oatmeal topped with fresh fruit. For lunch, he switched to brown rice with vegetables. Dinner included quinoa sometimes. Within a few weeks, his focus sharpened. Conversations felt smoother. He enjoyed crossword puzzles again. He listened to his grandchildren's school stories without drifting. Simple whole grains brought back mental clarity. Here is how to add them. Aim for 3 servings a day. 1 serving is half a cup cooked oats or brown rice, or 1 slice of true whole grain bread. Always pick 100% whole grain products. Avoid anything labeled enriched or made with white flour. Common mistakes include eating refined grains like white bread or white rice. Those cause quick blood sugar spikes and drops. Another mistake is adding too much sugar to oatmeal. That cancels out benefits. Drink plenty of water with fiber-rich grains to help digestion. The ideal timing is breakfast for steady energy all day, or lunch to prevent that afternoon mental slump. Whole grains keep your mind fueled evenly, but legumes bring extra layers of protection. Let us move to number 8. Number 8 is beans and legumes. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans are all excellent. After 70, these foods deliver plant-based protein. They supply folate and plenty of fiber. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Folate is important for making neurotransmitters. Those chemicals help brain cells communicate. Fiber feeds good gut bacteria. Healthy gut bacteria influence mood, focus, and memory through the gut-brain connection. Beans also stabilize blood sugar, which supports consistent thinking. In research tied to the MIND diet, regular bean consumption 3 or more times a week was linked to lower Alzheimer's risk and slower memory loss. Let me share Linda's story. Linda is 72 and lives in Florida. She used to struggle with shopping lists. She would arrive home missing half the items. She felt embarrassed. Then she began adding beans. She put lentils in soups. She mixed black beans into salads. She made simple chili with kidney beans. After a month or 2, she noticed her mind felt clearer. Lists stayed in her head longer. She shopped confidently. Today she manages her household. She volunteers at the local library. She feels capable again. To use them well, aim for half a cup cooked 3 to 4 times a week. Rinse canned beans to remove extra sodium. If using dried, soak and cook until soft. Add them to soups, stews, salads, or as a side. Avoid eating too large a portion at first. That can cause bloating until your body adjusts. Do not skip rinsing canned varieties. Do not rely only on one type. Rotate for variety. Best timing is lunch or dinner. That gives sustained benefits into the evening. Beans strengthen your brain's defenses, but lean proteins provide support without adding harm. Number 7 is next. Number 7 is poultry. Lean chicken and turkey are smart choices. After 70, these offer high-quality protein without too much saturated fat. Saturated fat can harm blood vessels that feed the brain. Protein helps build neurotransmitters. B vitamins in poultry support healthy nerves. Keeping saturated fat low reduces inflammation. The MIND diet recommends poultry 2 or more times a week while limiting red meat. Studies show this pattern supports better cognitive scores. Robert is 78 and lives in New York. A few years ago, he felt mentally drained most afternoons. He switched from red meat to grilled chicken. He chose turkey for sandwiches. Memory and energy improved noticeably. He now enjoys family game nights. He remembers cards and jokes without struggle. Prepare 3 to 4 ounce portions. Bake, grill, or poach. Remove skin to keep it lean. Avoid frying. That adds unhealthy fats. Do not choose heavily processed versions, like deli meats with added sodium. Timing works well at lunch or dinner. Poultry keeps things light and supportive. Now nuts deliver concentrated, brain-friendly nutrients. Number 6 is ready. Number 6 is nuts, with a focus on walnuts. A small handful each day makes a difference after 70. Walnuts contain plant-based omega-3 fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in the brain. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from damage. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress. Studies show nut consumption 5 or more times a week ties to better cognitive performance in people following Mind Principles. Sarah is 71 and lives in Illinois. She used to forget people's names quickly. It bothered her at social gatherings. She started keeping walnuts handy. She ate a handful as a snack. She sprinkled them on yogurt. Thoughts became clearer. She reads books without losing the plot. She chats comfortably with friends. Use 1 ounce a day. That is about a small handful. Choose raw or dry roasted unsalted. Avoid salted nuts. Too much sodium is not helpful. Do not eat huge amounts. Calories add up fast. Timing is flexible. Use as a mid-morning snack or sprinkled on meals. Nuts guard your brain cells well, but fatty fish provides direct building blocks for brain tissue. Number 5 is up. Number 5 is fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, or mackerel. These supply DHA and EPA, which are powerful omega-3s. Forms a major part of brain cell membranes. These fats reduce harmful plaques. They lower inflammation. They support communication between neurons. Research shows eating fatty fish once or more per week slows cognitive decline in older adults. James is 75 and lives in Washington. He felt foggy and slow for months. He added baked salmon twice a week. Memory sharpened. Focus returned. He enjoys long walks and clear conversations again. Aim for 3 to 4 ounces baked or grilled 1 to 2 times weekly. Choose low mercury options. Avoid frying. That adds unwanted fats. Do not overdo portions if watching calories. Timing is best at meals for good. Absorption. If this information is giving you hope for a sharper mind, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps others find these tips. Thank you. Now, back to the countdown. Fatty fish nourishes the brain directly. Dark leafy greens take protection to another level. Number 4 is here. Number 4 is dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are top choices. They deliver vitamin K, lutein, folate, and more. Vitamin K supports brain cell structure. Lutein shields against damage. Folate helps repair and maintain nerve function. In mind, diet studies 6 or more servings of greens weekly linked to much slower decline. It was like having a brain years younger. Eleanor is 73 and lives in Ohio. She used to repeat the same stories to family. She felt embarrassed. She started adding spinach to salads. She blended kale into smoothies. She sautéed collards as a side. Alertness returned. She follows discussions easily. She feels present again. Eat 1 cup raw or half a cup cooked daily. Steam, sauté, or add to soups. Avoid overcooking. That reduces nutrients. Do not rely on iceberg lettuce. It lacks the power. Timing is any meal. Greens fit everywhere. Greens energize the brain. Eggs provide a key nutrient many overlook. Number 3 is next. Number 3 is eggs. The choline in eggs is vital for memory after 70. Choline helps produce that neurotransmitter is essential for learning and recall. Studies link regular egg consumption to improved memory performance in older adults. Patricia is 77 and lives in Arizona. She struggled remembering names at church. She added 2 eggs to breakfast most days. Recall strengthened. She greets people confidently now. Prepare 1 to 2 eggs daily. Boil, poach, or scramble. Avoid eating them raw. There is a small risk. Do not fry in lots of oil. Timing is often breakfast for all-day benefit. Eggs strengthen brain signals. Berries fight damage with color and power. Number 2 is coming. Number 2 is berries. Blueberries and strawberries lead the way. Their flavonoids cross into the brain easily. Flavonoids act as antioxidants. They reduce oxidative stress. They improve blood flow to memory centers. One large Harvard study found that women eating berries regularly delayed memory decline by 2.5 years. Thomas is 80 and lives in Massachusetts. He forgot recent events often. He started eating berries daily. Stories from his life came back vividly. He shares them with joy. Aim for half to 1 cup daily. Fresh or frozen, both work. Avoid versions packed in sugar. Plain is best. Timing is flexible. Breakfast, snack, or dessert. Berries refresh and protect. Now the number 1 food works its magic overnight. Number 1 is plain Greek yogurt, or plain regular yogurt if you prefer. It brings probiotics, protein, and vitamin B12. After 70, gut health connects strongly to brain health. Probiotics balance gut bacteria that reduces inflammation reaching the brain. Protein supplies amino acids for repair. B12 supports nerve health and prevents foggy thinking from deficiency during sleep. Your brain clears waste and rebuilds connections. Yogurt before bed provides slow-release fuel. It supports that nighttime process through the gut-brain link. Research shows probiotic yogurt improves mood and memory markers in older adults. One trial found daily use strengthened brain areas tied to recall. Other studies link probiotics and B12 to better cognition. Margaret is 79 and lives in Colorado. She woke up feeling mentally tired every day. She began eating half a cup of plain Greek yogurt before bed. She added a few berries on top. Mornings felt brighter. Thoughts were clearer. At 82, she gardens walks daily and remembers details with ease. She says it feels like her brain gets a nightly tune-up. Choose plain, low-fat Greek yogurt, half to 1 cup nightly. Flavor naturally with fruit or cinnamon. Avoid sugary or flavored kinds. They spike blood sugar. Do not pair with caffeine close to bed. Timing is key. 30 to 60 minutes before sleep for best repair. Greek yogurt nurtures your brain while you rest. Combine these 10 foods for the strongest effect. We have covered olive oil for daily protection, whole grains for steady fuel, beans and legumes for folate and fiber, poultry for clean protein, nuts, especially walnuts for omega-3s and vitamin E, fatty fish for direct DHA, dark leafy greens for vitamins and lutein, eggs for choline, berries for powerful antioxidants, and plain Greek yogurt for overnight gut-brain support. Picture this future. You remember your grandchildren's names instantly. You share old stories without hesitation. You drive with confidence. You manage your home independently. You stay present in every conversation. You feel capable and free. These are not distant dreams. They are possible when you feed your brain real nourishing foods. Start small. Choose 2 or 3 of these foods this week. Add them gently. Notice how you feel. Your brain is resilient. It responds to kindness and good care. Now I want to hear from you. Which food will you try first? How old are you? What is one memory story you want to keep sharp? Write it in the comments. Your words inspire others. If this video spoke to you, share it with a friend or family member. Help them discover clearer, brighter days. Your brain is strong. Feed it these real foods. Enjoy sharper memory and greater freedom in life. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care. See you in the next video.